The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Attach the supportive rods and remove the caps. Mount the handle holder onto the rods and reattach the caps to secure it. Position the installed handle onto the holder. Install the pedal cable. Connect the power cord and turn on the device. Choose 4.5/3.0 controller. Settings. Controller 4.5/3.0. Time 15 minutes. Mode continuous. Energy level 30 to 50. Shot time 2. Energy output interval 0.3. Note: energy output only occurs when the pedal is pressed. Press the work button to initiate the process. Press the stop button to stop the operation. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser. And then evenly apply toner. Gently apply gel to the face. .0 handle. Firming and lifting. Settings. Controller 3.0. Time 15 minutes. Mode continuous. Energy level 30 to 50. Shot time 2. Energy output interval 0.3. Note: energy output only occurs when the pedal is pressed. Start from the chin and lift upward diagonally. And then lift the forehead vertically towards the hairline. Lift vertically from the masseter muscle and horizontally from the forehead. Start from the chin and move upwards. Clean the gel. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner essence.